Hello student, so in this video I am going to explain reciprocal relation of trigonometric ratio. Okay, so the first ratio sin theta, the reciprocal relation of it 1 upon cosec theta, or cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. And this also can be written sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Okay, and the reciprocal relation of cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta, or sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta, and also this can be written cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Okay, and next tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, or cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Tan theta also related by this is sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Okay, so this is the reciprocal relation. Sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta, cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta, and this may derive sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Again, cos theta, the reciprocal relation of cos theta is 1 upon sec theta, sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta, and this also may be right, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Next, tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta, and tan theta can be written tan theta also associated with sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta equal to cos upon sin theta. Okay, so these are the reciprocal relation of trigonometric ratio. Okay, now move to the other topic. This is trigonometric ratio of some specific angle. Okay, trigonometric ratio of some specific angle. So basically, the some specific angle of trigonometric ratio is 0, 30, 60, 45, 60, and 90. Okay, so now I am going to explain what is the value of specific angle of the ratios. Okay, so this will be explained by drawing the table of the angles and ratio. Okay, so this is table of trigonometric ratio. I will draw it. This is ratio. Okay, here write ratio, and this is angle row. Okay, and this is a ratio column. So this is 0 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 45 degree, and column of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And this is the row or ratio. Sine. This is for cos. Okay, and this is tan row. Next it's cot. Same. And last is cosec. Okay, and now write in 0 degree square root 0 by 4, square root in 30 1 by 4, square root of 45 2 by 4, and for 60 degree 3 by 4. For 90 degree, this is 4 by 4. Okay, the square root 4 by 4, this is 0, and this is 1 upon square root 2. After simplification, we will get, and after simplification, we will get. Okay, this is 1 upon root 2, and after simplification we will get root 3 by 2, and this is 1. Okay, so value of sine 0 degree 0. Okay, 0, and the ratio sin theta for 30 degrees, this is 1 upon 2. For 45 degree, 1 upon square 2, and for 60 degree root 3 by 2, and for 90 is 1. Okay. So the specific angle, the value of sine specific angle 0, 30, 40, 60, 90 is sine 0 is 0 degree, sine 0 degree is 0, and sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2, sine 45 degree, the value of sine 45 degree is 1 upon square root 2, and the value of sine 60 degree angles root 3 by 2, and 90 degree angles 1. Okay. For the cos, we write reverse order. Okay, reverse order the value of the sine angle. Okay, so last is 1, so this is 0, and root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. Okay, 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 dear student, if the angles, the value of the angle sine are learned, then we will find with the help of sine all other 5 trigonometric ratio. Okay. Okay, so let us see how I will find the value of tan 0, tan 30, tan 40, 60 and 90. Okay, so for sine 0 degree, tan 0 degree. Okay, so tan 0 degree, as we know the reciprocal relation of tan 0, tan theta This is sin theta upon cos theta. So write sin 0 degree upon cos 0 degree. Sin 0 degree, the value of sin 0 degree is 0 and cos 0 is 1. Okay, 1 divided by 1 is 0. 0 divided by 1 is 0. The value of tan 0 degree is 0. And similarly part 30. So this is 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 by 2, and after simplification this is 1 upon 2 by 3. We will get 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. And similarly for tan 45, 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon square root 2. This is 1 and after simplification this we will get 3, and any number divided by 0 the value is infinite. So the value of tan 0 degree is 0, tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3, tan 45 degree is 1, and tan 60 degree is root 3, and tan 90 infinite. Okay, for cot again write its reverse order. Okay, reverse order of the value of 9. So this is infinite 1 upon 3. Sorry, this is square root 3, 1 and 1 upon root 3, 0. Okay, and also can be determined by, as we know, reciprocal relation of cos theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, so if I would like to find the value of cot 30 degree, then cos 30, see the value of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 divided by sin 30. This is 1 upon 2. Okay, so now simplify this. So this will be root 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. Okay, after simplification we will get the value of cot theta root square root 3, and also I have explained the reciprocal relation of cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. So we reciprocal respectively value of the tan theta. Okay, 1 upon root 3 becomes root 3 1, reciprocal 1 is 1, root 3 1 upon root 3. Okay, okay, for the sake we remember the relation, reciprocal relation of cos sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. Okay, so the value of cos theta equal to reciprocal of cos, this is 1, this is 2 by root 3 root 2, and 2 by 3, and this is infinite. Okay, for cosec write the reverse of sec are taking reciprocal of sin, because the reciprocal relation of cos theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Okay, so write all reverse reciprocal value of the sin angles. So this is infinite 2 square root 2 by root 3. Okay, and 1. Okay, this is here being mistake. Sec or sec, this is 2. This is a 2. Okay, and also find the value of sec theta. Sec, the relationship of sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. Okay, so if for the value of trigonometric ratio, if one value of the ratio sign is learned, then with the help of this we will find the other trigonometric ratio, the value of other trigonometric ratio. Okay, okay, so dear children, we remember the value of the trigonometric ratio. If the value of given trigonometric ratio is not learned, then we unable to solve the problem based on angles. Okay, sine, here I revise once again. The value of sine 0 is 0 degree, 30 is 1 upon 2, 45 is 1 upon square root 2, 60 is root 3 by 2, 90 is 1, cos theta 1, 30 cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 upon 2, cos 60 1 upon 2, and cos 90 is 0. Tan 0 is 0 degree, sin 30 is 1 upon root 3, tan 40 is 1, tan 60 is root 3 by root 3, and tan 90 is infinite, cot 0 is infinite, and cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 1 upon root 3, cos 90 0, sec 0 is 1, 30 2 by root 3, 45 root 2, 60 root 2, 90 infinite, cosec 0 is infinite, 30 is 2, 45 is square root 2, 60 2 by root 3, and 90 is 1. Okay, so this is the trigonometric angles table. Okay, for some specific angle like 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, and now in next video I will solve exercise 8.2. This is based on the specific angle of trigonometric ratio. Okay, this exercise basically based on the specific angle of trigonometric ratio. Okay, so I will solve it in next video.